Are you looking for a way to scrape thousands data from Google search without any problem with ease? So you may find this video interesting and helpful. But how we can scrape data from Google search? Apart from programming skills, we may encounter IP blocks, CAPTCHA, rate limits, and dirty and unstructured data. With having these breathtaking problems, what is the solution? The solution is Scrapeless. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can scrape data from Google search with ease. In Scrapeless, we offer flexible APIs for developers and business owners. You can also find our scraping browsers and SERP API along with proxies and CAPTCHA solvers. I'm gonna say that in Scrapeless, we offer the cheapest prices in the market for scraping data from Google APIs. And as you can see, we are covering many services from Google flights, hotels, jobs, lands to shopping and trends, which is mind-blowing. Now let me show you how you can use our playground to scrape data and download the JSON file. Also, I'm going to cover how you can use Python to integrate our API with your projects. Alright, once you registered, you can go to sign-in page and sign into your account. And in the sidebar, you can find the SERP API. Then you just need to hit the Google search. And you can find the query parameters, and you can customize the scrapers that you want to work with. For example, for Google search, we offer search query, language, country, we support domain, we support location. Using a start and num, you can paginate, which is crazy. And in the middle, we have the response box, and in the right, we have a crazy HTML box, which is new and great in my opinion. For example, we are looking for top news headlines. You just need to click on start search, and it takes only 1 second, and it is fantastic and mind-blowing, as you can see. And it provides everything, organic results. It provides related search, related questions, and so on. For example, to retrieve the next data, you just have to say that we want to start from 10, okay? And if you are beginner and you don't know how to paginate, and I will share a new tutorial in the channel, then you can paginate and integrate our API with your projects. And that's it for our playground. And so consider now you want to use our APIs for your project. You just need to press export to code, and I'm gonna go with Python because Python is crazy. And you just need to copy your API keys, but if you press the copy here, it also takes the API key token, okay? So, okay, I prefer VS Code because I find it quite handy. You should make a py file, main.py, and let me just paste the code that we just copied. I want to take the initial page, so I don't need this one. And yeah, you need to install Python first of all. I almost forgot. And let me save this code. And also to run this code, you must install requests library using pip install requests. Okay, and otherwise you encounter problem. So let's run this code. Python main.py easy. We have everything that we want in this response. And when we call response.text, we take everything from our API in Scrapeless, okay? And for example, I'm gonna take results, for example, from third page, okay? You say that, okay, I mean, each page returns 10 results, and if you want to increase even this number, you should increase and play with the num, okay? Crazy. And for example, if you want to extract all available data, you just need to create a for loop in Python and increase this start button by 10, or maybe if you're increasing the number, you should increase it by 100, okay, to take the second page. And because when you say that I want 100 results for first page, to extracting and taking the next 100 results, you should say that, okay, the number, I mean the start should be 100, okay, not 10. It's not confusing, it's easy. You can check out our doc. I will put the link in description below. And let's see how we can use and save this data into JSON format, because if we close our VS Code, this data is not gonna be there forever, okay? And I prepared the code in Python. It is easy. First of all, it converts it into JSON, I mean raw dictionary. It converts the JSON into raw dictionary in Python. Then using json.dump, we easily convert it into JSON format to save, okay? And you don't need to install anything. You already have JSON, okay? And you don't need to separately install it. So let me just give it a try. And crazy, okay? And yeah, we have everything that we want, from organic results, and also it has the pagination info, related search, which is great, and also search information. Why not? So you just saw that how easy it is to scrape data from Google search without any problem and limitations. There is no captcha, there is no IP blocks, there is no rate limits, and so on. And if you're ready to scrape data using one click, using our scraping API, just hit the link in description below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. And if you learned something from this video and you found it interesting and helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.